The layouts that stop people from scrolling usually have one thing in common: they create a strong focal point immediately. Today, how to create focal point frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin by selecting a soft off-white background and add a subtle gradient that fades toward the edges. Open the Elements panel and insert one large rectangular frame directly in the center of the canvas. Upload your primary image and drag it into the frame, then adjust the crop carefully so the subject becomes the visual anchor of the design. Add two smaller frames near opposite corners and place supporting images inside them. Select the main frame and apply a soft shadow effect,